How to make Twitter accounts. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make Twitter account. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So open your application itself, and I personally will recommend to create an account using your Google account because it is a lot easier. So simply click on continue with Google. Then here select a Google account. After that, click on agree and share. Then here wait for a few seconds. Now here select your language. Click on next. And then here simply fill out the credentials it asks for, and then in the end you will successfully make an account on Twitter. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.